Mistplay payments are based on the rewards you earn inside the app, but there is no universal 90-day payment amount because earnings depend on the games you play, your activity, and the rewards available on your account. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay payments work, what affects your earnings over a 90-day period, and how to check your own reward history. Mistplay does not pay users a fixed amount every 90 days. The app rewards users with units for eligible activity, and those units can be exchanged for available rewards once you meet the required amount. Your 90-day results depend on several factors. The games available in your Mistplay account, how often you play, how long you spend in supported games, and the reward offers shown to you can all change your total. To check your own payment progress, open the Mistplay app and review your unit balance and available rewards. Your account history gives you the most accurate record because it shows the activity connected to your profile. If you are trying to build up rewards over a 90-day period, focus on games that provide the best unit opportunities for your account. Mistplay can show different game offers to different users, so another person's results may not match yours. Before expecting a payout, check the reward requirements inside the app. Mistplay displays the available redemption options and the amount of units needed for each reward. A common reason users think payments are missing is that they are checking the wrong place. Your earned units, completed game activity, and redeemed rewards are tracked separately inside the app. If a reward does not appear after redemption, check your email for confirmation messages and review the reward status in Mistplay. If there is still an issue, use Misplay's support options from inside the app. A real 90-day payment test depends on the user's device, available games, playing habits, and reward options. There's no single payment proof that applies to every account. The key points are simple. Mistplay earnings come from units earned through activity, rewards vary by user, and your own account history is the best way to verify progress. Open Mistplay, check your current unit balance, review available rewards, and track your activity over time. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides and fixes, and like the video if it helped you understand how payments work.